Hello students, in this class we will learn how to convert hexadecimal number to its other number systems. Hexadecimal, first we will see hexadecimal to binary conversion. How to convert any hexadecimal number to its binary equivalent. Hexadecimal number is the number with base 16. It will contain numbers from 0 to 50 and from 10 numbers are alphabets. 10 is represented as A, 11 is represented as B. Like this, in hexadecimal 10 is equivalent to A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E and 15 is F in hexadecimal number system. To explain this method, we will take one example. Suppose number A9, this is hexadecimal number and we have to convert it into binary. First take down the number A9. A means what? 10. Therefore take number 10 and 9. Integer digits we have to take, and to convert these digits into binary we will take numbers 8421 for this 10 and 8421 for this 9. 1 means 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8. All base we have taken. Then see, this number is addition of which numbers? Number 10 is addition of 8 and 2. No any other combination will be there. You can take 3 numbers also. You can take 1 number also. But this number should be addition of these numbers. Therefore, where is the numbers to add to get 10? 8 and 2. Write here number 1 and remaining will be 0. This is binary equivalent of 10. How to get binary equivalent of 9? Addition of 8 and 1. Therefore, write here 1 and 1. Remaining will be 0. This is binary equivalent of 10, binary equivalent of 9. And whole will give us binary equivalent of A9. Therefore, we can write 10101001. This is binary equivalent of number A9 hexadecimal number. This is a method for conversion of hexadecimal to binary. One more example we will take. 3B7. Second example. What is the first method? First step, take down the number and separate the digits. B means what? 11. Therefore take 3, 11, 7. Write here 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. To convert each and every digit to its binary equivalent. 3 is addition of 2 and 1. Therefore, write here 1, 1. Remaining will be 0. 11 is addition of 8, 2, 1. Therefore, write here 1. Remaining 1 place will be 0. 7 is addition of 4, 2, 1. Therefore, 1, 1, 1, 0. And collectively, it will give binary equivalent 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is binary equivalent of 3B7. One more example we will take. 234. Separate the digit. First step is 2, 3, 4. 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. What is this 8, 4, 2, 1? 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. 2 is the number, we don't have to add anything. Therefore, remaining will be 0. 3 means 2 plus 1. Therefore, 2 places will be 1. Remaining 2 will be 0. 4 is the number here. Therefore, remaining 3 places will be 0. And collectively, we will get the number 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is binary equivalent of 234. This is the method to convert hexadecimal number to its binary equivalent. Now we will see how to convert hexadecimal number to its octal equivalent. Hexadecimal number to its octal equivalent. Octal number system is the number system in which numbers are having base 8, and in octal numbers will be from, digits will be from 0 to 7. To explain this method, we will take one example, AC. First example we will take AC. This is hexadecimal number and we have to convert it into octal. For this conversion, two steps will be there. First, you have to convert this number into binary, and from binary to octal. How to convert this number into binary? Now only we have seen. First step is separate the digits A and C. A means what? 10. C means what? 12. Therefore, 10, 12. Then what to do? Write here 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. 10 means what? 8 plus 2. Therefore, 1, 1. Remaining will be 0. 12 means 8 plus 4. 1, 1, 0, 0. Therefore, binary equivalent of AC. I am telling binary, not octal. First, we have to find out binary equivalent. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. This is binary equivalent of hexadecimal number AC. Now from this binary number, we will convert number to octal. What is the method for conversion? We have seen how to convert number from binary to octal. From this side, make a group of 3. We will have 2 groups and only 2 digits are remaining. In this case, add one more 0. Now how many groups are there? 3 groups are there. How to convert these groups into octal? Again write here 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. Multiply each coefficient with the weight and add all answers. You will get octal equivalent. Then 4 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 0, 0. 4 into 1, 4, plus 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 1, 4, 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. If we add this, we will get number 2, 5, 4. This is the octal equivalent of number AC. 254. Once again I will explain. Separate the digits. Convert that individual digit into binary equivalent. Collectively we will get binary equivalent of the number. This is the binary equivalent. Again from binary we have to convert it into octal. For that, from right hand side make a group of 3, 3. If any digit is less, then you can add one more 0. And for each and every group, write here 4, 2, 1. Multiply coefficient with the weight and add the answers. You will get the digit. Therefore, we have got 254, which is octal equivalent of AC. One more example we will take. One EF. This is hexadecimal number and we are converting it into octal. First step is separate the digit. E means 14, F means 15. Convert each and every digit into binary. For that, write here 8421, 8421, 8421. 1 is there, therefore remaining will be 0. 14 means what? 8 plus 4 plus 2, therefore 1, 1, 1, 0. 15 is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, therefore all will be 1. Binary equivalent is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is binary equivalent of hexadecimal number 1EF. Now this binary number we have to convert it into octal. For that, first take down the number 0001, 1110, 1111. From right hand side, make a group of 3. We can ignore this 0. It has no meaning. Therefore, we have got only 3 groups. Multiply with weights. Weights means 2, 4, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Therefore, 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 into 1, 2 into 1, 1 into 1. Here 4 into 1, 4, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 1, 4, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 1, 1. 7, 5, 7. Therefore, answer is 757. This is octal equivalent of 1EF. This is the method. Now we will see how to convert hexadecimal number into its decimal equivalent. Hexadecimal to decimal. To convert hexadecimal to its decimal equivalent, we have to take base of 16. To explain this method, first we will take example. First example is 23E. This is hexadecimal number and we are converting this into decimal. First step is separate the digits 2, 3, E. E means what? Number 40. Therefore, write 2, 3, 40. 2, 3, 40. Multiply each and every digit with its weight. How to find out the weight? From right hand side, multiply number 16 with the power starting from 0 in increasing order. Therefore, we can write like this: 2 into 144 plus 256 plus 3 into 16 plus 14 into 1. Don't forget, any number raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, we can write like this. If you multiply 256 by 2, you will get 512 plus 48 plus 40. Therefore, answer is 574. This is decimal equivalent of hexadecimal number. What is the procedure? First, separate the individuals. Multiply each and every number with its weight. How to find out weight? Multiply number by 16 and give power from right hand side from 0 in increasing order. Add all answers, you will get the decimal equivalent. One more example we will take. Last example, F7D. Second example is F7D. We have to convert this into decimal equivalent. What is the first step? Separate the digits. F7D. F means what? 50. D means what? 30. Multiply each and every digit with the 16 plus 7 into 16 plus 13 into 16. Power of 16 will be from 0 in increasing order. Directly we will write the answer because it is too complicated. 15 into 256 plus 7 into 16 plus 13 into 1. If we multiply 256 by 15, we will get answer 3840. 16 sevens are 112 and plus 13. If we add all this number, we will get answer 3965, which is decimal equivalent of hexadecimal number F7D. What we have seen, how to convert hexadecimal to binary, how to convert hexadecimal to octal, and how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. To convert hexadecimal number into binary, what is the first step? First step is separate the individuals, write the numbers in the combination of addition, you will get the binary number. To convert from hexadecimal to octal, first number should be converted into binary, and from binary to octal. And from hexadecimal to decimal, multiply each and every digit with its weight and then add all answers, you will get the decimal equivalent. Thank you.